Hey floor coders, wanted to make this video here based upon something I've been working on for this whole entire month long, night and day, onto it for you. Essentially, I will get into it here in a second, but as you can see, there is a lot to kind of go through here for you, and I'll get it done very quickly. As well, just to show that I'm not a dumbass, 742K booked last year, 710K already booked this year, September 1st. You can see our revenue chart here. And essentially, what is the coding cohort beta group right here? Essentially, I won the school games, met Alex Ramosi last month over in the Vegas HQ, and I have been working on actually being able to showcase everything of a floor coding business. This is the information that I wish I had whenever I had started, and as well for people that are inside of the business would be very beneficial as well, because I would like to think that I'm playing at least decently with the floor coding game here at the moment. This will also be free until October 1st, limiting to 100 members. Currently, I already have 32 members in there, and whenever it's full, it will go into a paid thing. Essentially what this is to show how to get as many leads as possible, to get as many of the leads to respond to you, to get as many floor coding estimates as possible from that, and then to increase your conversion rate as much as possible so that you can also work on to your profitability, be sure that your guys are having jobs, and as well not worry about the winter upcoming for you. I'm updating these daily onto here, and I'm taking all the feedback that I get from all the members constantly so that I can continue to make even more videos. We have all the videos right now onto word of mouth, truck wraps, door hangers, paid ads, websites, tech blast, web chat, Angie, EDDM, TikTok, email, organic content, so that you can get as many eyes onto your business. And then as well going through all the sequencing to get them to respond, estimates, and as well for conversion rate, as well as all the additional marketing. And again, I'll continue to make more videos. The star ones right here, ones that I just recently uploaded onto there. Every one of these is also linked back into the school community where everything is all in one place so that you can communicate onto all of these videos, as well as our community tab where you can drop any questions so that again, I can make even more videos for you onto it. So this has been a act of love already for this. It's been a lot of fun being able to map this all out, and I cannot wait to make this even more insane, as well as we have all the videos on everything A to Z for installing a floor, prep, base coat, scraping, top coat, invoicing, lead gen, efficient restocking so that you don't waste time on labor, anything and everything that I've already thought of. And I am just asking that whenever you guys review all this content, be sure to drop any questions or comments that you have so that I can further increase the value per second inside of this group. This will be the first link down below, and you can just join right there. And then as well, I'll accept you if you are a floor coder into here, and as well, see y'all on the inside. Peace.